How do you fix JSON.parse errors in JavaScript? Imagine trying to open a box that's sealed shut, but the seal is broken or the box is not packed right. That's what happens when JSON.parse throws an error in JavaScript. You might see messages like unexpected token or syntax error. These errors happen because the string you give to JSON.parse is not valid JSON. So how do you fix that? Let's walk through it step by step. First, remember that JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It's a way to store data in a text format that looks like objects and arrays. When you use JSON.parse, it turns that text into a real JavaScript object or array. But the string must follow strict rules. Property names need double quotes around them, like name, John. Strings must also be in double quotes, not single quotes. No trailing commas are allowed after the last item in an object or array. Numbers should not have leading zeros or incomplete decimals. For example, 1 or 1 might cause errors. If your JSON string breaks any of these rules, JSON.parse will throw an error. To prevent your app from crashing, always wrap JSON.parse inside a try-catch block. This way, if an error occurs, you can catch it and handle it smoothly. For example, you can log the error message or show a friendly message to the user. Before parsing, it's smart to validate your JSON string. Check if it has the right quotes, no trailing commas, and proper syntax. You can do this with simple regular expressions or use validation libraries. When working with data from the web, like server responses, always verify the response is valid JSON. Sometimes servers send back error pages or HTML instead of JSON, which causes parsing errors. Use browser developer tools to inspect the raw response before parsing it. If you find your JSON string has issues, fix the source if possible. Sometimes you need to clean up the string before parsing. Remove extra commas, replace single quotes with double quotes, or fix malformed numbers. There are also tools and libraries that can help you parse loosely formatted JSON or fix common mistakes. Remember, fixing JSON.parse errors is about making sure your JSON string is correct and handling errors gracefully. Always validate your data, use catch blocks, and check your server responses. This way, your web application will run smoothly and you'll avoid those frustrating syntax errors. Keep practicing, and soon working with JSON will become second nature in your web development toolkit.